How much money can be saved by installing a wind turbine?
Hello and welcome to today's informative discussion on wind power. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting aspect of wind turbines, the financial side. More specifically, we will explore how much money can be saved by installing a wind turbine.
What are the initial costs?
First, let's take a look at the initial costs. The price of a wind turbine varies greatly depending on its size and the specific model. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, a home wind turbine can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000 per installed kilowatt. Commercial scale turbines can cost up to $4 million, but they have much higher power output. These costs include not only the turbine itself but also expenses related to site assessment, installation, operations, and maintenance.
How much can you save?
The savings generated by a wind turbine primarily depend on two factors: the wind speed at your location and the cost of electricity in your area. If your location has good wind resources and the cost of electricity is high, a wind turbine can potentially save you a substantial amount of money. For example, a 10 kilowatt machine, the size needed to power a large home, might produce 10,000 to 18,000 kilowatt hours per year, which could mean significant savings on your electricity bill if these numbers match or exceed your household consumption.
What about government incentives?
In many countries, the government offers incentives for renewable energy projects, including wind power. These may come in the form of tax credits, grants, or rebates, and can significantly reduce the initial investment costs. In the United States, for instance, the federal investment tax credit and the production tax credit have historically been instrumental in encouraging the adoption of wind power. Make sure to check out local and national programs available in your area for accurate estimates of potential savings.
How long until break-even?
Another crucial aspect to consider is the break-even point, which is when the cost savings equal the initial investment. Depending on the factors we've discussed, the break-even point can range from 6 to 30 years. It's important to note that wind turbines have a lifespan of about 20 to 25 years, which means they should ideally pay for themselves before reaching the end of their useful lives. To sum it up, the amount of money that can be saved by installing a wind turbine depends on a multitude of factors including the initial cost, local wind conditions, cost of electricity, government incentives, and the turbine lifespan. With the right conditions, it can potentially save significant money in the long run. We hope this discussion has shed some light on the financial aspects of wind power. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope to see you in our next informative discussion.